I mean, I've been to courses before, and it is to do with internet marketing. I didn't do very much after I came for the last course, and now I'm ready to go and market my products. Everything is ready, so I need to market it. And James sent me a message saying that he's having this course, which I found it more useful rather than just basic marketing through Facebook, because there's a different kind of a strategy in this. I mean, it helped me to understand the strategy of how I should proceed forward, move forward basically. It's not just putting a Facebook ad or putting videos out in YouTube. There's much more to it. So I found it very useful, really. I mean, ever since I came back from to England a couple of years ago, I met him. And we are kept in touch because I come to some of the courses. He's a wonderful man. He's very honest and very simple, down to earth, and somebody whom we can approach any time. Even though I haven't done all his courses, nor am I a member of his academy and things like that, still he's been helping me, giving advices whenever I need. And that's what is important. It's not the success I have, but the journey is more important. And that's why somebody holding my hand when I'm in real trouble kind of a thing, didn't understand. As an entrepreneur, you're very lonely. Having a friend like James is an asset, really.